Hello everyone. Section off the front of the hair, make 2 braids out of it, roll it up. As for the bottom, make 2 more braids. Make 2 sections of the front of the hair, join them together, make a ponytail at the back. Twist the hair and roll it into a bun. Tie it up in place once you are done. Next, section off the front of the hair, tie a rubber band to it. At the back, make 2 rubber bands and then roll it up, braid the side and roll it into a bun. Add decorative clips. Start off by tying a ponytail. Divide this ponytail into 2 parts. Take the top section, add a rubber band in the middle, roll it in on itself, lift it up, pull the other section through. Add many threads through it and then make multiple braids as such. Next, start off by adding multiple rubber bands to the front of the hair. Make a section in the middle, tie a braid and roll it up. Make 2 braids at the back as well. Start off by making 2 braids in the middle and then roll it up in order to make this circular shape. At the back, roll a braid over. Add multiple rubber bands at the back and tie it together, roll it up, join it to the front. Using a hair stick or a bun stick, make a bun at the back. Add a decorative rubber band. Section off the front of the hair, add a small rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself. Lift it up at the front to make a bow shape, add a braid at the bottom. Start off by tying a ponytail at the back, leave out a section of the hair in the front. Taking a small section of the front, make 2 braids out of it as such, lift it up and tie it. Join it to the back. Divide the hair into 4 sections. Make 2 braids at the bottom, lift it up, crisscross it and attach it. Using a bun stick in the side, make a bun out of the hair. Adjust it accordingly. Make 2 ponytails on either side and then make a braid out of it. Roll it up accordingly. Take another small section from the middle and then begin to braid the hair. Attach it to the top. Make 2 more braids at the bottom. Take a small section off the front, add multiple rubber bands. At the back in the middle, tie another rubber band. Roll the hair in on itself, make 2 braids, make a heart shape. Section the rest of the hair into 2 parts, make 2 ponytails. Section off the front of the hair, tie a rubber band to it, roll it in on itself, make 2 braids. Roll each of these braids in on themselves to make this circular shape. Add multiple sections at the back. Section off the front of the hair, divide it into 2 portions, make 2 braids. Crisscross the braids, attach it. Start off by tying a ponytail, make a braid and roll it up. Add multiple rubber bands. Take a section off the front of the head, tie a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself. Make 2 braids, roll the braids inwards. Thank you for watching.